Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we will learn one of the most important skills in dental 3D printing, how to add supports in G2 Box and choose the correct support thickness. So G2 Box is a slicing software, and many beginners think that once a STL file is imported, it is ready to print. Unfortunately, this is not true. Incorrect support placement is one of the most common reasons for print failures. Wrapped models and inaccurate clear aligners are the result of inaccurate support placements. By the end of this lecture, you shall be able to tell what is a support, and then why supports are necessary, type of supports, then support parameters, support thickness, auto versus manual support, best support settings for orthodontic models, common mistakes, and clinical tips. So, coming to the basic question, what are supports? Support structures are temporary resin pillars that hold the model securely during printing. Since resin printers build objects layer by layer, every new layer must be supported until it becomes attached to the main structure. Without proper support, unsupported parts may detach from the build platform, resulting in incomplete prints, distortions, or total print failure. So, supports are removed after printing and do not become part of the final dental model. Why are supports necessary actually? Supports perform several important functions. They prevent the model from collapsing, and they reduce deformation, improve dimensional accuracy, prevent layer separation, reduce suction forces, stabilize overhanging structures, improve print success rate, and maintain model orientation. There are different types of supports given in G2 Box. G2 Box provide three main types of support types. Light support, that is a small contact points, easy to remove, and suitable for small models. Uh, may fail or on heavy dental models. Then we have medium supports, most commonly used in dentistry. Good balance of strength is there and easily they can be removed. Then recommended for these are the types of support which are recommended for orthodontic models. Then we also have heavy supports, that is thick support pillars is strongest support, uh, used for very large or heavy prints and hard to remove. So for clear enamel models, medium supports are generally the best choice. Understanding the support parameters, this is necessary because when generating support, G2 Box allows you to modify several parameters. Now, first is support tip diameter. This is the contact point touching the model. Typically, dental setting, it should be 0.30 to 0.04 millimeters. Smaller tips leave fewer marks but provide less support. And support pillar diameter, this diameter, the thickness of the support column, typically setting 1.2 to 1.5 millimeter. Thick pillars are stronger but consume more resin. And support base diameter, the base attached to the support to be built to the build platform. Recommended thickness is 3 to 5 millimeters, and a wide base improves stability. Support density. Now, higher density means more supports for orthodontic models, and medium density is usually sufficient. Too many supports waste resin and increase finishing time. Uh, Support angle. Support angle should follow the orientation of the model without touching critical surfaces. How are the supports added in G2 Box? First step is that uh, the STL file, import the STL file, then rotate the model approximately 30 to 45 degrees. Click the support button and choose medium support, then select auto support. Inspect every support carefully, delete unnecessary supports, and add manual supports wherever needed. Ensure no unsupported island remains, and preview the model before slicing. Never rely completely on automatic support generation. Best support thickness for dental model. and that is for light support. The tip diameter should be 0.025 to zero point 0.3 millimeters. Pillar diameter should be zero point 0.8 to zero point 0.1 millimeter. And medium support, that is most commonly recommended, is the tip diameter is 0.35 millimeters and pillar diameter is 1.2 to 1.5 millimeter. And in case of heavy support, the tip diameter is kept to be zero point 0.05 to zero point 0.6 millimeters and pillar diameter is 1.8 to 2 millimeter. And these values may need light adjustment depending upon the printer resin model's size, and always refer to the recommendations provided by your printer and resin manufacturers. Some common mistakes that occur while adding support is that avoid too few supports. Very few supports are added, then support on occlusal surfaces given, support on attachment areas, and then incorrect model orientation, very thin support, very thick support, unsupported islands, and failure to inspect auto-generated supports, ignoring print preview. Most failed prints are caused by poor support placements rather than printer defect. So the important clinical tips is that use a medium support for orthodontic models, keep support marks away from occlusal anatomy, angle the model 30 to 45 degrees before adding support, inspect every support manually and use a layer preview to detect unsupported islands, save the project before slicing, and practice the study models before printing patients' cases. Now, supports are essential for successful resin printing, and proper support placement improves print quality and reduces failure and ensures accurate dental models for clear aligner fabrication. Uh, a few extra minutes spent reviewing your support can save hours of reprinting and produce more predictable clinical results. Thank you for watching.